The NVX NSW102v3 subwoofer impresses with its ability to deliver up to 1,000 watts of peak power and 500 watts of RMS, ensuring impactful and deep bass performance in any car audio setup. This 10-inch dual 2-ohm subwoofer from NVX is designed with an enhanced pressed paper cone and high-roll foam surround, which work together to minimize distortion and maximize sound clarity. The subwoofer's durable design features a stamped steel vented basket and a 112-ounce double-stacked ferrite magnet, providing efficient cooling and reliable long-term performance. With a wide frequency response ranging from 20 to 200 Hertz, the NVX NSW102v3 offers clean and dynamic bass, enhancing the richness of your car's audio experience. The subwoofer's flexible installation options make it compatible with both sealed and ported enclosures, catering to various vehicle setups and preferences. This premium car subwoofer is not only CTA 2031 compliant, but also incorporates a progressive spider design, making it suitable for small enclosures and ensuring durability and reliability.